In this video, we're going to show you how to install the Puddle light lens on your Volvo S60 located on the bottom of your mirror. Pull the mirror out, away. It's going to give you a little better access to this little hole right here in front of the lens. I'm going to use a pick, a little 90-degree here. I'm going to go up and in and pry this down and out. Pop this out. Go ahead and pull that out. It's just a rubber grommet that is holding this in place. Now if you need to replace the bulb, now's the time to go ahead and do so. If you're just replacing the lens, you can now go ahead and take this here. Confirm that you have the correct part there, line everything up. Take that bulb, line this up, and push that in. Push it until it's fully seated. Now the side that goes towards the front has a much larger tab on it. So you're gonna push that in, and then we're gonna simply press this up and snap it into place. Once you hear that audibly click into place, now go ahead and put your mirror back. Repeat for the other side, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.